Hello students, welcome to my channel Brothers Academy. Today we will talk about third chapter of our computer book, Formatting Documents in Microsoft Word, Chapter 3, Part 1. In today's video, we will have an introduction session followed by some of the advanced formatting options available in Microsoft Word like Format Painter, Subscript and Superscript, and Search and Replace Text option. Finally, we will end the session with a short quiz. So, let's begin. Students, you have already read about Microsoft Word in your previous class. So, just to recall, Microsoft Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. It is the most widely used word processing program in the market. And now, since you know the different kinds of software, so Microsoft Word falls under the category of application software. So it is a type of application software. So what are the default settings? Predefined or standard settings are called the default settings. You have learned in your previous class how to change fonts, their sizes, and colors to make the text italic, bold, etc. In this chapter, we will learn how to make the page attractive by changing the default settings in the Word document. So now let us take a look at some of the advanced formatting tools available in Word. So let us start with the Format Painter. Now take a look at the Format Painter option in the Word. So what exactly is the Format Painter? It allows you to copy all the formatting such as color, font, font style and so on from the selected text in the document and apply these properties to another section in the document. Format Painter is basically a copy paste but for formatting. For example, you are working on a big document and you have applied certain formatting to a certain section of the document, let's say color, bold, italics, etc. And you want to have the same formatting in some other section of the document, then this option comes handy. So let us take a look how it works. The option is available under the Home tab. This is the Format Painter option. When you hover over mouse, you get the details of the Format Painter option and it has a brush icon. So now I will show you how this Format Painter works. So these are some of the codes. So you can see the second code is in the green color and the fifth one has a different font. These ones are in Calibri and this one is Algerian. Now if I want the first code to be also in the green color, so what I will do, I will select this particular second code and then I click on this option Format Painter and then I will take my mouse and I will select this first option. So you can see now the keep smiling code is also coming in the green color. So this is the Format Painter. You can copy the formatting from the selected text. In my case it was second code. So I selected that and I copied this formatting to the first code. Now let us take a look at how it changes the font. So now you need to select this fifth option, click on Format Painter and select fourth and third. So you can see now my font size has changed, font style has changed. So this way you can apply the formatting from the selected text to the another section in the document. So this is all about the Format Painter. Students, I want you to try this option on your machine so that you get a better understanding of how the Format Painter works. Now let us take a look at the subscript and the superscript option available in Word. So subscript, any text that is placed below the line of the normal text is called subscript. The formula of water is H2O. Here, in this case, 2 is placed below the line of the normal text. So how do we do that in Word? I will show you. So first, let me enter H. Subscript and the superscript option available in the font group. So this is the subscript option and this is the superscript option. So let me select this subscript option and now I'm going to enter 2. Now I'm going to deselect it and then enter O. So this way you can enter subscript. So what is superscript? Any text that is placed above the line of the normal text is called superscript. So cube root 2 cube root 3 is equal to 8. So let us see how do we enter that in a word. So first I am entering 2. Now I am going to select this option which is a superscript option. Now I am going to enter 3. So this way you can add the superscript. So there are also shortcuts available for superscript and subscript. For superscript the shortcut is Control Shift equal to, and for subscript the shortcut is Control equal to. Students, I want you to try these options subscript and superscript on your machine along with the shortcuts to get a better understanding. Student, now let us take a look at the search and replace text option available in Word. So basically find and replace commands, they can be combined to find a particular word or text in the document and replace it with another word or text. Sometimes it happens that you have written certain word in the document and you want to replace it with some another word in the document which is getting repeated, multiple times, let's say 10 times or 20 times. So at that point of time, this option comes very handy, search and replace text. So where it is available in Word, it is available in the home editing group. So you can see that find and replace. There is also a shortcut available to open this search and replace text. So which is Control H. So if you click on Control H, you will see this find and replace dialog box. So the example which I have taken is there are 4 lines which talks about a boy student. He is a student of class 5. He goes to Blue Ridge Public School. He lives in Pune. He is very intelligent. Now, if I want to replace he with she with a girl student, so I will take the help of this find and replace option. So this is the dialog box. So this is find he and I want to replace it with she. So you can either replace it all in one go or you can choose one by one. So let us take a look at the this option. So find next. So now this is the first occurrence of V. I want to replace. I will select replace. And now second occurrence is this. I want to replace. I want to replace this one as well. And I want to replace this one too. So now this way it has replaced all he with she. Now I'm going to close this dialog box. So this is very handy when you want to replace multiple words with some another word. Students, I want you to try out this option on your machine to get a better understanding. Now, time for a short quiz. So the first question which I have for you is, what is the shortcut for subscript and superscript option? The second one, what does format painter do? And the last one is, where is the find and replace option available in Word? Students, if you know the answers of these questions, please write in the comment section. The answer of these questions we will discuss in our next video. Thank you students for your time. Please go through the video thoroughly. I will be uploading the remaining videos of this chapter in few days. Till then, bye bye. Take care.